It's my 2013 bike check. Alright, stop here. We got blue ODI long necks. Cut the flanges off. I have Odyssey Parins Ocean Blue. This is Cyan, I think. I have a Sunday Yell flange because the brake lever hurts my hand. And right here, my brake lever snapped. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It snapped, so I'm kind of mad. I have a blue Odyssey Slick brake cable. I have it long so I can do like foot jam toe-ups. Because if I forget to untwist my bars the first time because I don't have a gyro, and then the second time it won't kink my cable because it's long enough. I got a blue Mission brake lever, snapped. I need to get a new one. S&M Redneck XLT stem, blue Colt Death Row bars and chrome. These are awesome bars. Shiny as heck. Stock United dust cap right there. Integrated headset. Can't see it, but probably not. United KL 40 frame.